Good morning. It's Thursday, September 28th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Things are quiet over land this morning. We do have some heavy showers, thunderstorms well out to sea, and I think that the high-pressure ridge that's building up will keep most of that rain out to sea as we move through the day today. But we do have clouds over a good part of the state of Georgia this morning, but just not a lot of rain. Let's take a look at the tropical outlook. We have our two storms side by side, and where we are right now, both are about the same strength as far as the pressure is concerned. Now, Philippe is a tropical storm, and then the red X just means it could turn into a storm. A pretty high likelihood of that over the next couple of days. And it looks like by tomorrow, the red X will actually be a little bit stronger in terms of its low pressure compared to Philippe. What does all that mean? Well, it kind of means that the two storms are almost competing in a way, and quite possibly the red X will pull a lot of that energy from Philippe, weakening Philippe, and then we'll have our next storm, Rina, which will possibly form, again, over the next 48 hours, very likely. And it looks like that storm's going to kind of meander just a little bit and then turn off to the northeast and not be an impact to us. So that's still the case according to long-range models. But, of course, we will keep an eye on it for you right here on the Georgia Weather Net. Checking out temperatures across the state, 63 in Atlanta, cool, 59 in Rome with those clouds, 63 in Macon, Savannah's at 65, and Augusta also cool this morning at 60 degrees. The modeling looks like this. There are those storms off the coastline staying out there to sea. North Georgia will see some breaks in the clouds as we move through the day today. Still pretty cloudy in South Georgia. Heading into this afternoon, we're expecting a few breaks in the clouds moving into the mid-state. Parts of South Georgia will see a little sunshine today, but all in all, pretty cloudy in the southern half of Georgia. Moving into this afternoon, also still pretty quiet. Looking at some showers trying to pop up over the North Georgia mountains through the afternoon and evening hours. And most of that's not going to happen. Maybe one or two showers possible there in the North Georgia mountains, but not a whole lot going on. We have a lot of precipitable water in the atmosphere. We just don't have a lot of instability or lift to get those showers going. So it's going to look very rainy today over a good part of the state, but just not going to see very much. As we move through the overnight hours, still cloudy in the south, more breaks in the clouds up in North Georgia. That high pressure is going to be pushing down a little bit more. That's going to bring us a pretty nice day as we move through your Friday, and then even better on Saturday. We'll start out mostly clear Saturday morning and then head into the afternoon hours with just a few clouds around, especially to our south. But again, we're going to stay rain-free, it looks like, through the weekend and set up for a dry spell over all the state of Georgia as we start out next week. And at least through the middle of next week, stay rain-free. Temperatures also very tolerable as well. So hope you enjoy this weather. After we get all these clouds out of here today, should turn out to be pretty nice. That's the latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.